This is Jeanette from China. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to take you with me for a portrait shoot in a studio right here in Shenzhen. Nowadays there are many AI tools out there that can help to generate pretty impressive images. So some might wonder, is it still necessary for us to hire a professional photographer or model to take pictures if we simply want to use those pictures for online e-commerce purposes? Well, I think that is really a personal choice, and there are two things to consider when considering using AI to generate pictures. And number one is which AI tools you're using, and number two is how well you use the AI tools. And today I will take myself as a product and I will show you behind the scenes of taking the portrait photo in a studio here in Shenzhen. So let's go and let me show you how it works. And because today I simply want to create a profile photo for myself, so I have already told the photographer and the manager that I want a very simple background, and I'm probably gonna wear my own clothes. I don't have any makeup on me right now. I'll just go there later, and the stylist and the makeup artist gonna create a look for me, depends on which dress I choose to wear. It's very, very important to communicate in advance with the photographer and the stylist about the style of the pictures that you want before you really go to the scene and start to take pictures. I'll simply wear my normal dress to take the pictures because that is also the dress that I'm wearing to attend meetings and also on my previous profile photos. So I want to have this consistent look. For portrait photos, you can wear studio outfits or bring your own. Pricing depends on the number of photos and retouching services. Pre-shoot communication takes the most time, but is key to getting the results you want. I share my style ideas with the makeup artist and photographer, and based on my outfit, the makeup artist went with a light natural look and picked jewelry from what I brought to match. During the shoot, we tried different poses, backgrounds, and lighting to get different vibes. We shot about 100 photos in 2 hours, and I picked 3 that really matched what I had in mind. If I had used AI to generate the images, I doubt they'd be consistent or feel like me. E-commerce happens online, and AI is everywhere. But when it comes to product photos, being real still matters. If everything looks perfect online with synthetic settings, but the product doesn't match in real life, customers lose trust, and that isn't good for business. AI is great for speeding things up, but in the end, what really connects us is the human touch. Okay guys, this is Jeanette from China. If you like my video, welcome to subscribe to my channel. If you need any product sourcing, fulfillment, or e-commerce photography services in China, welcome to contact us, and we're very happy to help. And thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye. And it's time for my favorite chicken pot, the Chinese hot pot.